Here we are on day 10, I believe. So this is really neat because we can see how we started at this condition of wall and ceiling here, all marred up. Obviously this isn't as bad as some of the plaster jobs. That's funny, this says something Jerry. I don't know if you can read it. It says their names, something, maybe something per Jerry on this wall here. We got some scribbles here, but this area in particular was the old, probably wooden cabinet that they had in the original kitchen. And so we're going to fix all this like we did. So we have transition here. We have the worst shape the wall was possibly in, with holes and all that stuff. And then we have some repairs that we have to repair. Then we have the process of repairing and sanding and finishing and smoothing, and then further processed, and then finished. So this shows all the steps here, and little by little by little, it gets to be a nice, finished, smooth wall. So that is our goal, and it worked out fine. So here we go. I'm gonna do some more spackling and coating on the walls. I'm gonna fix this. This was where the original plug was with the original wiring in the house. The wiring has been updated. So originally the wiring in these houses was wrapped in a material. It was a wire wrapped in a, I don't know what material it was, probably cotton wrap, so that the wires didn't touch each other and short out. It was a type of thread. So anyways, there was only two wires, a positive and a negative. And then further down the line, they began to coat the wires and included a ground. So when they updated the kitchen, they ran this plug and put in that light, I believe, unless the light was there before. But this switch box doesn't seem big enough for a switch and an outlet. So I don't know if they added the light, but it could have been. So either way, we have a hole in the wall that we need to put something behind, because I can't mud on the insulation. So I'm going to cut these strips of wood and crisscross them in there and secure them down, and then put the mud over that. I'm going to fix this board that seemed to have cracked here, so that I can mud on that. And then put some mud up, wait for it to dry. While it's drying, I'm going to clean these cabinets up today. And that's probably about all I'll get done, because the mud has to dry. So that's my plan, and we'll check back tomorrow.